Now we can do exercise 4.1. First question is complete the last column of the table. 11 questions are here. Then next column equations are given. Then value of x is given in the next box. Then we have to find out the statement will be equal or not equal, that is satisfied, whether the equation is satisfied. Okay, when we applied the given values of x or m, which variable. Okay, first question is x plus 3 is equal to 0. We have to check value. They have given the value x equal to 3. Then we have to check it. X plus 3 is equal to 0 when x equal to 3. That is, when we applied the value of x in this equation. Here the value of x is 3. So, we can think x plus 3 is equal to 0 is the question. But we have to check when x equal to 3, this condition will be yes or no. So, we have to apply 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, not equal to 0. So, the condition is not satisfied here. So, we can write this value is not satisfied. So, in the last column, we can write there no. But what will be x? Here, the value will be negative 3. I am saying directly, negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So, x will be negative 3. So, at that time, this equation will be satisfied. Okay. Here, you don't want to mention what is the value of x. We have to just check it when we are applying the given values of this given equations. At the time, the equation is satisfying with this value or not satisfying. Clear? Next, x plus 3 is equal to 0 itself, but they have given x equal to 0. Then 0 plus 3 is not equal to 3. Now this is 3 itself, not 0, not equal to 0. At the time, this value is also not satisfying. Next condition, here it is. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Then they have said it, x equal to negative 3. So, this value we have to apply here. Negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. That is satisfying. So, we can write the yes. That is, these negative 3 and 3 are the additive inverse. When we are adding additive inverse, the values will be same. Sorry, 0. Okay. Next, 5x plus 5x is equal to 25 is the question. And they have given x equal to 0. Can we check it? X equal to 5 and so on. Then 5 times 0 is equal to 0 itself. 0 with any number, the answer will be 0. And they have given that will be 25. But we didn't get it 25. So, the answer, this value is not satisfying. Next, the value is 5. So, we can apply that in this given equation. That is 5x. Instead of x, we have to give 5. So, 5 times 5 is equal to 25. We got it here. 25 is equal to 25 itself. So, this value is satisfying. Clear? Then, m on 3 is equal to 2. When we are solving, we have to get 2. The first value is negative 6. Then instead of m, we can write negative 6. The value is negative 6. So, negative 6 on 3. What is the value? Negative 6 divided by 3 is equal to negative 2, not positive 2. So, that is not equal to 2. So, this value is not satisfying. And m on 3 is equal to 2. Then here we can do they have given m is equal to 6 or 0. Then 0 divided by 3 not equal to 2, that is 0 itself. So which is not equal to 2. So this value is also not satisfying here. Next, m is equal to 6. So we can apply that 6 on 3 is equal to 2. So we got this answer 2 itself. When we substitute the value of m in this equation, m on 3 is equal to 2, we got this same RHS itself. Here the RHS is 2. So this equation is satisfying. Got it? This way you have to complete all these questions. 4.1 first question. Okay.